How to use Wise Card with Google Pay. For general information about how to use or manage your cards on Google Pay, you can visit Google Help website. So can you add Wise Card to Google Pay? At the moment, you can add your card to Google Pay if the card was issued in Austria, Australia, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, Croatia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Guernsey, Hungary, Ireland, Isle of Man, Italy, Jersey, Latvia, Lithuania, Malaysia, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Singapore, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, the UK, or the US. To add your Wise Card to Google Pay via the Wise app, open the Wise app, tap on the Card tab, where you can see all your available cards. Select the card you'd like to open to add, then tap on Add to GPay. To add a Wise Card to Google Pay via the Google Wallet, open the Google Wallet app. At the bottom, tap Add Wallet. Select Payment Card and then a new credit or debit card. Either scan your card or enter the details manually. Follow the steps to verify your card. You can now make a payment where you see these symbols like Google Pay or contactless pay. After you add your card to Google Pay, you might see a small charge on your account. This is just to check that your card works, and it will be released back soon. So what are the limits for paying by Google Pay? The normal limits for using the Wise Card are also applied when using Google Pay. Some merchants might also apply the contactless limit.